Hi, it's Tim at Engine Factory. We just finished building this beautiful 408 Ford 475 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1964 F100 LowRider. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build. Then we got the 408 Ford, power forged pistons in there, double roller timing chain, roller lifter camshaft, brand new timing cover, high flow fuel pump, new balancer, oil pressure extension on there for easy oil pressure switch hookup, proper rear sump oil pan, the customer's F100 LowRider, oil stick and tube, red ignition wires, all the wire markers are on there. We installed the AFR aluminum cylinder heads, American made. All the roller rocker arms are all in there, all set, valves adjusted, ready to go. It's real nice black ridge valve covers with a matching air cleaner with a washable filter. Distributor set in place, aluminum intake manifold, MSD ignition coil, quick fuel 750 CFM carburetor, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket, PCV ventilation line on there, heavy duty Russell line, manifold vacuum fittings are installed for easy vacuum hookups, proper automatic flex plate for the customer's C6 transmission, proper tooth count and balance for the 408 Ford. Every engine is live run at the engine factory, fully tested for 45 minutes. We set the ignition timing, adjust the carburetor mixer screws. You're going to see a video of your engine running in stand, the manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot. The engine will be completely, fully tested again, ready to go right out of the box. So there you have it. Again, our 408 Ford 475 horsepower turnkey package engine ready to go. Thanks for watching.